Are you struggling with an error while running your Apache Beam pipeline? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the frustrating issue of being unable to find the registrar for Google Cloud Storage. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when you think everything is set up correctly, but then an error pops up out of nowhere. This is a common issue many developers face when working with Apache Beam and Google Cloud. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting an error saying I cannot find the registrar for GS when running my pipeline?" They mentioned they were using both auto value and auto service tools, and everything seemed fine until they tried to run their jar file. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what could be causing this error? It often relates to missing dependencies or issues with how the jar file is packaged. Understanding the underlying problem is crucial for finding the right solution. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue of the missing registrar for Google Cloud Storage, the user should first ensure that the necessary dependencies are correctly included in their project. This includes the Apache Beam libraries for Google Cloud. Next, the user should check the configuration of the Maven assembly plugin. It's important to ensure that the GCS file system registrar class is being included in the FAT jar correctly. After verifying the dependencies and the assembly configuration, the user should rebuild the project. This can be done by running the Maven package command again to ensure all changes are applied. Finally, the user should run the jar file again using the Java command. If everything is set up correctly, the error regarding the missing registrar should be resolved. Fun fact: did you know that Apache Beam was originally developed by Google for their internal data processing needs? Now it's an open source project that helps developers like you and me. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the issue may stem from the assembly strategy. The user recommends merging the services for the file system registrar in Apache Beam. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always verify your dependencies and ensure your jar file is correctly packaged before running your pipeline. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and get your pipeline running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.